Welcome to this review of the ZOYI ZT-R01 2-in-1 infrared thermal imaging multimeter, available now on Aliexpress. This innovative tool combines high-resolution thermal imaging with accurate multimeter functionality, making it perfect for industrial electric floor heating diagnostics, circuit board maintenance, and electrical system testing. The thermal imaging feature captures heat signatures with precision, helping you detect temperature variations and identify potential issues quickly. It displays 3 temperature points simultaneously: the highest temperature, the lowest temperature, and the center point, so you can monitor every detail in real time. The multimeter functionality allows you to test alternating current voltage, troubleshoot circuits, and even check car engine ignition coils. With dual-mode operation, you can switch seamlessly between thermal imaging and multimeter modes for comprehensive diagnostics. The device features a 2.4-inch TFT color screen, a 32 by 32 infrared resolution, and supports a temperature range from -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, with an accuracy of plus or -2 degrees Celsius or 2%. It offers 4 color palettes for better thermal visualization. Designed for portability, the ZT-R01 is compact, ergonomic, and easy to use. It includes a built-in 1,500 mAh lithium battery with a Type-C charging port, ensuring long-lasting performance and fast charging. If you are looking for a professional-grade diagnostic tool that combines thermal imaging and multimeter functions in one device, the ZOYI ZT-R01 is an excellent choice.